Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5 English version, Math, Fractions chapter, Exercise 6A. How many problems are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 problems. Maybe we won't be able to solve all, but we will try as many as possible. We can solve. Let us start with number 1. One by 7 plus 3 by 7. 1 by 7. 1 by 7 means 1 divided by 7. So nothing to get confused. Plus 3 by 7 plus 5 by 7. When we calculate the fractions, always two things. Number 1, select the common denominator. Common denominator. Or it could be LCM, least common multiple. And number 2 is D, M, N. And that means divide by denominator. And multiply by numerator. And multiply by numerator. So what is the common denominator here? 7. When all are same, we don't need to think much. It is 7. And also we don't need to think much. Just add or deduct whatever. 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals to 9 by 7. And 9 by 7 means 9 by 7 means 7 divides 9 one time and 2. So 1 and 2 by 7 equals to 1 and 2 by 7. That is the answer. Now what we are going to do, let's do number 5. We have done already number 1. Now we are going to do number 5. Okay. Number 5. 5 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 5 by 6 equals to, what is the common denominator here? Should be 6. So formula DDMN, divide by denominator. So if we divide 6 by 2, it is 3. So 5 into 3. 5 into 3 minus sign. Then divide again by 3. So 2. 1 into 2 minus sign. Divide by 6. 1. 5 into 1 equals to 15 minus 2 minus 5. 15 minus 2 minus 5 divided by 6 equals to, so 15 minus 7 means 8 by 6. 8 by 6. Now can we reduce it or simplify it? Yes. We can divide the numerator and denominator by same number. For example, we can divide here by 2. Then it is, if we divide 8, it will be 4. If we divide 6 by 2, it is 3. Why we did it? Just reduce it. We got it reduced. Simplified equals to what 4 by 3 means? 4 by 3 means divide 4 by 3. 3 into 1. So 1 and 1 by 3. 1 and 1 by 3. The answer 1 and 1 by 3. Let us solve now the number 8. Number 8. Okay, number 8. 3 by 4 plus 7 by 8. 3 by 4 plus 7 by 8 minus 11 by 12. The common denominator here is 24. So 24. So divide by 4 is 6. 3 into 6. 3 into 6. Plus divide by 8. It is 3. 7 into 3. Minus divide by 12. It is 2. So 11 into 2 equals to 18 minus 21 plus 21 actually minus 22. 24 is the denominator, and here it should be 17 by 24. That should be the answer. 17 by 24. The last one, let us try number 9. Number 9. 1 and 1 by 3 plus 3 and 1 by 4 minus 2 and 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4 equals to, let us simplify, 1 into 3 plus 1. So 4 by 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 1. 3 into 4 plus 1 means 13 by 4 minus 2 into 6 plus 5. 17 by 6 minus 3 by 4 equals to, now what is the common denominator we find here? It should be 12. How you find it? Just do the least common multiple. You get it. Easy. So 3, 4, 6, 4. So common denominator is 12. So divide it, that formula, DDMN. Divide by denominator, multiply by numerator. So divide by 3 is 4. Multiply by 4. 4 into 4. 4 into 4 plus divide by 3, 4. Divide by 4, it is 3. 13 into 3 minus 17 into 2 minus 3 into 3 equals to 12. 16 plus 39 minus 34 minus 9. So what we get here, 16 and 39, 16 and 39, 1, 6 and 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 55. So equals to 55 minus 34 means 43 minus 43 divided by 12. So how much? If 55 minus 43, 2 and 1, 12 equals to 12 by 12. Oh, it is so simple now, very easy. 12 divided by 12 is 1, everyone knows. So answer is 1. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.